Hello, my name's Grant Profit, Head of Product Marketing here at VITEC. At ISE 2026, VITEC has some really exciting new developments on the stand, including what's behind me, our X-View range of integrated displays. In both 11.6 and 21.5 inch options, X-View are the perfect solution for corporate and government applications, for meeting rooms to display availability so that your staff and visitors know whether a room is booked. They're supported by PoE, so for a simple installation, one cable for both power and network. So if you want to come by and find out more about the X-View displays or anything else on the VITEC booth, visit us in Hall 5 to find out more.